Hi, this is Cheryl from the Madison Children's Museum. Today we're going to do a really fun experiment with seeds, and we're going to learn a little bit more about seeds from seed to fruit, the cycles and processes that a seed goes through. Right here on the microscope, I have some seeds that are just sprouting, and this is what we're going to do at home. All you need to do this is a paper towel that you get wet and a plastic bag. So if you get a paper towel wet in the sink, you can wring it out a little bit, put it in the plastic bag, and then you're going to search your kitchen or anywhere around your house for seeds. They don't have to be seeds you've ordered for your garden. This is the time of year we often start seeds in our garden. And so what I like to do is go through my cupboards, and maybe if I have popcorn, grab a couple popcorn seeds. If I have any dried beans, northern beans, pinto beans, black beans, lentils, grab some of those. And then what I'll do, right here, is some dry seeds I have. These we've saved from our garden. But you can see there's a mix of all kinds of seeds in there. I'll just take the different seeds, put them in a bag with a wet paper towel, and hang them in a window. They have everything they need to germinate and start to grow. Another thing I like to do when I do this experiment is make a chart. So these are the seeds that I chose. Looks just like that. I make a chart on the date that I planted it, and then the date they germinated, that they sprouted out of their seed shell. It's neat to know that different seeds germinate at different time frames. And so you can do science at home by doing this experiment. So once you put them in the plastic bag, you can wait, and it'll take anywhere from a week to 2 or 3 weeks for your plants to germinate. But once they do, they'll start to grow, and you can even plant them in a pot. So I'm going to show you this one. I planted this one just about 10 days ago. And look, the leaves are starting to come out. There's the roots. And this now I could just put in some soil, and this would actually grow me a green bean. Have fun trying this experiment at home, and thanks for joining us today from the Madison Children's